Hi everyone, my name is Kelsey Grace, and here's just a little bit about me. I work in Gettysburg Area School District. I am currently in my 5th year teaching first grade, which is super fun. On my slide there, I just have a picture of my little family unit of me and my fiance, and then my 2 puppies, Flynn and Murphy. Currently, the degree that I'm seeking is a master's in the assessment curriculum and teaching with the STEM education concentration. In this course, I'm really hoping to learn new effective ways to use technology in ways that I can assess my students' learning and to better drive my instruction, plus assist my students in small group instruction and differentiation activities throughout the day. Obviously, in our current situation, I'm hoping that this course is going to be really helpful to help me overcome some challenges and just be a really effective teacher with what we're dealing with. But I'm also hoping to learn some things that I can use after all of this COVID is gone and all of the guidelines are gone, but the technology has stuck around. And the last thing that I'm really looking forward to learning about and kind of discussing is I have a feeling that coming down the pipes, especially in my school district, it's kind of getting rid of tests or grades. So just looking for ways to assess students and really use them as assessments and not just like cumulative tests or summative tests, and how I can best communicate that information to other teachers, specialists, to parents, and to my own students. So yeah, looking forward to this course and learning a lot of new things.